An overnight Russian airstrike has killed 2 persons in the Ukrainian city of Sumy. The airstrike also damaged several buildings, including energy infrastructure. Meanwhile, Russian President Vladimir Putin has said that India could play a peacemaker role between the countries. This comes amid the scheduled visit of NSA Ajit Doval to Russia for a BRICS conclave.
At least 2 people were killed and 4 were injured after Russian airstrike hit Ukraine's Sumy city. 3 bodies were recovered from the debris. 2 children were among those injured. Firefighters were seen damping down the wreckage of a destroyed building. Russia has intensified missile and drone attacks on Ukrainian cities in the recent weeks. Energy infrastructures across Ukraine are being targeted. This attack comes amid India brokering peace talks for Russia and Ukraine. Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is scheduled to visit Russia soon. He will attend a BRICS conclave of national security advisors. This comes after Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Moscow and Kyiv, where he emphasized the need for Russia and Ukraine to engage in peace talks. There are growing calls for India to be the peacemaker between the 2 nations. Russian President Vladimir Putin had recently suggested that countries like India, Brazil and China could act as intermediaries in the conflict. And Ajit Doval is expected to continue pressing for peace efforts with his Russian counterparts.
India's Navdeep Singh's silver medal was upgraded to gold after Iran's Beit Saia Sagdege was disqualified following a dramatic men's javelin throw F41 final at the Paris Paralympics. Take a look at this report.
In a major win for India in the 2024 Paralympics, para-athlete Navdeep Singh clinched gold in the men's javelin throw.
यूरोप में हमेशा स्पोर्ट्स का कल्चर अच्छा रहा है और मैं फ्रांस तीसरी बार आ रहा हूँ, परंतु मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि नॉर्मल से ज़्यादा फ्रांस की जो जनता है वो पैरा स्पोर्ट को सपोर्ट करती है। तो इधर की जनता में ही इतना क्रेज़ है और वो काफ़ी उत्साहित थे मिलने के लिए और काफ़ी अच्छा लगा।
Adding the 7th gold in India's kitty. Notably, this is India's first ever gold in men's javelin F41 category.
नवदीप ने जो परफॉर्मेंस दी है ये बहुत ही लाजवाब दी है और उन्होंने जो ये 7वां गोल्ड मेडल जीता है देश के लिए, ये बहुत बड़ी हिस्ट्री क्रिएट हुई है। हमारे खिलाड़ियों पे भरोसा था, तब भी हमने बोला था इंडिया में कि 25 से ज़्यादा मेडल जीतेंगे हम और टॉप 20 के मेडल टैली में आएंगे। सबसे खुशी की बात ये रही कि नवदीप का जो मेडल था वो पेरिस पैरालंपिक की जो एथलेटिक्स है वो लास्ट जो आवाज़ सुनी वो राष्ट्रीय गान हमारे देश का हुआ, सिल्वर हुआ था और उसके बाद गोल्ड मेडल जो कन्वर्ट हुआ, ये हमारे लिए ऐतिहासिक पल था और नवदीप ने वाकई आज लाजवाब थ्रो किया।
However, Navdeep had initially won silver in Paris. After Iran's Sadegh Beit Saia won gold with a throw of 47.64 meters, which was supposed to be a new Paralympic record. However, just moments after the final, Sadegh displayed a non-state flag during the celebrations, which resulted into him being handed the yellow card for offence before being disqualified. India has now claimed 29 medals in its name, making this India's best ever run in Paralympics.